There you go.
Yay. Oh, literally, what, like a minute ago we were saying, I wonder where our parcel is.
We're Dear Vagari. I'm Priscilla, and that's Chris. And we've been a little bit busy lately. Why? Well, we're building a van. We need to get on the road.
Here it is. We've waited so long for this, I'm now scared to open it just in case it's too short. I don't want Christopher to know, but I have a very bad feeling that I have mismeasured, and we are going to be short. 53. Oh. Alright, I'll just make it. So I ordered a 3 meter length, and it comes up to 282, so I'm in there. I measured it.
And?
It's 282.
Yeah.
We've got 3 meters.
Excellent. So we figured out that we actually have enough vinyl. Priscilla was working in in centimeters, and I was working in millimeters.
Yes.
So we actually have 200 millimeters of spare vinyl,
which is 20 centimeters.
and not 20 millimeters. So I was panicking a little bit because I was like, "There's no way we're gonna trim it and match it, and it's all gonna work out." So
it's the conversion of millimeters to centimeters.
yeah.
I'm not going to
I work
change.
in millimeters.
I'm not going to change. You're not going to change. And there's one thing that we will always get frustrated on.
Very challenging. So yeah.
So can you please apologize?
Sorry.
Okay. Now we can move on. I'm happy now.
Alright, cool.
Okay.
That's enough.
Let's get the shower in. I hope you know what you're doing.
I do.
Okay,
Just
good.
cut on that line.
Right, so I can't say that we're going to get the shower complete today because we're not, but we are going to get one step closer. We have to still order the cornices and everything to finish it off completely. But we have now received the black, which I still don't know what it looks like. And stick this on the wall. Like I said, we'll be one step closer. It's going to be Christmas by the time I get in here.
Oh, sorry. I fell asleep while you were waking. While you were opening that.
Pull. No.
Oh, I must pull. You told me to pull.
Yeah.
So hold it.
Oh. I don't know if I like it.
It's exactly as you showed me in the photo.
It's cool.
Did you not take a notice of the photo?
Yes, it looks like that because they don't make plain black.
even enjoy my coffee. Just gotta work. There's a problem with the foreman here.
I'll cut it while you enjoy your coffee.
You're gonna cut it?
Yeah, while you enjoy your coffee.
Alright, go for it.
Oh.
Nothing like Saturday afternoon woodworking. Professional cutting.
Straight can be.
Straight as an arrow. Not too bad.
Yeah. Alright, so this is quite comfort.
Yeah. Obviously.
Woo. There's plenty of space here for us.
Yeah. Moving on.
We're on our way to the store because, as you can see, it's getting a little bit chilly. Got my little hat on. Christopher's got like 2 hoodies on. It's starting to get a little bit cold. And yesterday, our heater just gave way. One of the fuses popped. So
I hope it's not a wiring issue.
I need my heater.
It's wired up correctly, I'm just saying. It's very strange that it just went.
We're going to go into town now and we're going to go see if we can find some fuses. Hopefully that will work out. If not, I guess it's back to square one and trying to figure out how to fix the heater.
That thing's been quite temperamental.
It has been.
It's been a bit up and down. First we had airlocks, no diesel coming through. But it works really well. When you get it to run,
when it does work, it works.
Yeah.
Anyway, well, let's go find those fuses. Shop 1, no fuses. But we did get sanding paper. Yeah, cool.
Sanding block.
Sanding block.
I've used these before, they're real shit.
So why did you buy them?
Thought they might be better this time.
Oh my gosh. Anyway, we're hoping this place is open, which it is. So we'll pop in the store. We're going to the, oh, I can't read that backwards. What's it say? The motorist center, and hopefully we'll find some.
So these ones are the ones we popped while we were makeshift lighting experiment there. And this is the one we need for the heater. So I'll put this in and hope for the best. Don't worry, this is not the wiring, it's gonna how it's gonna stay. This is just temporary. I've never seen one before.
And?
No.
Hey?
It's blue again.
You joking?
Nope. The work never stops. I think it's maybe we pull the wire loose or something. Bit strange that it's gone, it's blown again. Oh well. We've got to sort it out. What else? We've got no choice. Found the problem. Basically, when we pulled the couch or the frame, obviously it moves the wire and the wire is pulled and touched the exhaust, and then you can see the shape of the exhaust. So it's not really a difficult fix because there's only 2 wires in there. and lucky there's lots of extra cables, so it's not a big issue. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the wire through the other side, or a separate hole maybe, just so we can avoid this problem ever going forward. I did originally route it on the air intake side, so it's cooler, but because it's so like compact, and you've got the exhaust and intake like basically right next to each other on these heaters, I suppose it can easily happen. I'm fairly certain it happened to someone else before, but at least we know what the problem is and it's now sorted.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel.